If you've ever wanted to create a business you can run from anywhere, then stick around. I'm going to break down everything you need to know to get started with dropshipping. Let's get into it. 1. What is dropshipping? So what exactly is dropshipping? In simple terms, it's an online retail model where you, the seller, don't hold any inventory. Instead, when a customer places an order on your website, you purchase the item from a supplier who ships it directly to the customer. This means you don't have to worry about storage, packaging, or shipping. You focus on building your brand and marketing, and the supplier handles the fulfillment. 2. Why dropshipping? Dropshipping has a low startup cost because you don't need to invest in stock upfront. It's also flexible. You can operate from anywhere with a laptop and internet connection. However, it's not all easy money. Dropshipping does take work, especially in areas like finding the right products, creating effective marketing, and customer service. But for many, it's a great way to start a business and build valuable e-commerce experience. 3. Choosing a niche. The first step in building a dropshipping store is choosing a niche. A niche is a specific category or market you'll focus on, like fitness gear, eco-friendly products, or pet supplies. Pick a niche that is demand but isn't overly saturated. Do some research on popular items, trends, and market gaps. Make sure it's something you're interested in because you'll be spending time marketing it and learning about the customers in that space. 4. Finding reliable suppliers. Your supplier is the backbone of your dropshipping business. Look for reliable suppliers on platforms like AliExpress, Spocket, or Salehoo. When choosing a supplier, pay close attention to product quality, shipping times, and customer reviews. A good supplier will have a solid track record and provide you with quality products, which is essential for customer satisfaction. 5. Setting up your online store. Now that you have your niche and suppliers, it's time to set up your store. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce make it easy to create an online store without needing technical skills. Choose a clean, professional theme, add product descriptions, and make sure your site is user-friendly. Think of your store as your brand. First impressions matter. 6. Marketing your products. With your store up and running, it's time to bring in customers. Marketing is key for any dropshipping business. Social media ads, like Facebook and Instagram, influencer partnerships, and SEO can help drive traffic to your site. Start by testing a few ad campaigns to see what works for your audience. Remember, dropshipping is a business of numbers. The more targeted traffic you bring in, the more sales you're likely to make. 7. Fulfilling orders and customer service. When orders come in, place them with your supplier, who will ship the products directly to your customers. However, your job doesn't end there. Providing great customer service is crucial for building trust and growing your business. Keep customers informed, respond quickly to questions, and handle any issues with professionalism. Happy customers are more likely to return and recommend your store. 8. Scaling your business. Once you're making consistent sales, think about scaling. This can mean increasing your ad spend, adding new products, or exploring new marketing channels like email marketing. Scaling is all about optimizing what's working and reaching a larger audience. And there you have it, the beginner's guide to dropshipping. It's a business model with real potential if you're willing to put in the work. Let me know in the comments if you're thinking about starting a dropshipping business. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.